In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Team Trial 2034's Monday.com interface. We'll break down the steps involved so you can feel confident using this project management tool. To start, you'll want to head over to Monday.com. Here you'll find yourself at the home page, which serves as your main dashboard. This is where all the action begins and where you'll get a bird's eye view of your projects and tasks. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to click on the Board section. Boards in Monday.com are essentially your central workspace. They help you organize workflows and tasks related to specific projects or teams. Clicking into a board gives you access to a wealth of information and options for managing your projects effectively. Now, let's focus on highlighting tasks within your board. To do that, click on the Highlight option. Highlighting can be a great way to draw attention to particular tasks or projects that require priority or have specific needs that stand out from the rest. This feature is a helpful visual aid to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. From here, it's time to explore more features by clicking on More Actions. This section provides you with various advanced options to customize and tailor your board to better suit your working preferences. Personalization could make your workflow much more efficient and enjoyable. Next up, you'll want to save this board configuration as a template for future use. Do this by clicking on the Save as a Template option. Having templates means you can quickly replicate board setups without having to start from scratch every time. This saves considerable time and ensures consistency across similar projects. Once your board is saved as a template, it might be time to move or duplicate an existing project such as Test Project. Clicking on this option allows you to efficiently reorganize or expand on existing work without losing any important data or structure. As you navigate these steps, there'll be prompts for you to proceed by clicking on Next. The first Next helps guide you through moving or duplicating your project. Follow through diligently to ensure you don't miss any part of the process. Clicking Next again continues the workflow for creating and finalizing your board template. It's like double-checking everything is in the right order before you proceed to the final step. Lastly, you'll want to solidify everything by clicking on Create Template. This button essentially seals the deal, creating a reusable template that captures your configured board settings. Using these templates will tremendously streamline your project management tasks in the future and help maintain consistency across your projects. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively use Team Trial 2034's Monday.com to organize your projects, save templates, and optimize workflows. We hope this tutorial helps you feel more comfortable and efficient with this powerful tool.